How do I reactivate a deactivated SIM card?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to reactivate a deactivated SIM card. If you've found yourself in a situation where your SIM card has been deactivated, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of reactivating your SIM card step by step. So let's get started.
Why was your SIM card deactivated?
Before we jump into the reactivation process, let's quickly understand why your SIM card might have been deactivated. There could be a few reasons for this. 1. Inactivity. If you haven't used your SIM card for a prolonged period, the network provider may deactivate it to free up resources. 2. Non-payment. Failure to pay your bills or recharge your SIM card can result in deactivation. 3. Lost or stolen. If you reported your SIM card as lost or stolen, the network provider may have deactivated it for security reasons. Understanding the reason behind the deactivation will help you choose the right approach for reactivating your SIM card.
Contact your network provider.
The first step in reactivating your SIM card is to contact your network provider. They are the ones who have the necessary information and procedures to help you reactivate it. Here's what you can do. 1. Find the customer support number. Locate the customer support number of your network provider. You can usually find it on their website or on the back of your SIM card packaging. 2. Call customer support. Dial the customer support number and follow the prompts to connect with a representative. Explain your situation and let them know that you want to reactivate your deactivated SIM card. 3. Provide necessary details. The customer support representative will likely ask for your personal information, such as your name, phone number, and any other relevant account details. Be prepared to provide these details to assist them in locating your account.
Follow network provider's instructions.
Once you have reached out to your network provider, they will guide you through the reactivation process. Here are some common steps they may ask you to follow. 1. Verification process. The network provider may require you to verify your identity to ensure that you are the rightful owner of the SIM card. This could involve answering security questions or providing additional identification documents. 2. Payment of outstanding dues. If the deactivation was due to non-payment, you might need to clear any outstanding dues or recharge your SIM card to reactivate it. The customer support representative will provide you with the necessary instructions for making the payment. 3. Reactivate your SIM. Once the verification and payment processes are complete, the customer support representative will initiate the reactivation of your SIM card. They may provide you with a specific time frame during which the reactivation will occur. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this video on how to reactivate a deactivated SIM card. Remember, the process may vary slightly depending on your network provider, but the general steps we discussed should give you a good starting point. If you encounter any difficulties during the process, don't hesitate to reach out to your network provider for further assistance. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.